Hi, it's Mark from Training Spark here, and this is the sixth in a series of videos walking through the features of the Business-to-Business Toolkit. And in this video, we're going to look at ways you can give your organizations that you work with some visibility on their learners within your system. So often you'll find that clients you work with will want to know how far their learners are progressing through your courses and if any of them need following up, for example. We've created some features that allow you to do this. So if you're familiar with LearnDash and LearnDash groups, you will know that groups can have group leaders assigned to them. So in a previous video, we created this Home Tech December 2021 group and assigned it to the Home Tech organization. As a demo here, we're going to make sure that this has got a group leader, and we're going to see what they see. And what they should see is each of the users in the system and how far they are along the course. If we click into this group here, and then go across to users, not only can we set the number of the members of this group, and a lot of these were automatically populated via user import and self-registration in previous videos. If we scroll down, we can also add some group leaders. And these are all fictitious users, but I've got this one here called Addison Jankowski, who is the group leader of the Home Tech December 2021 group. And if I was to log in as this person, I can see the Home Tech branding as I'm in the Home Tech organization, including the logo and the custom styling of buttons and the header. And also this client dashboard link here. If I click into this, I can see as a group leader any groups that I am set as the group leader of. So in this instance, we've got Home Tech December 2021, and we can see the number of learners within this. And if this group leader was a leader of multiple groups, these would be listed underneath, and they'd be able to select each of them independently. So I'm going to click on this group here. We can see at the top the group and the group ID, how many learners are registered onto it. We have the option to search for particular users, which I'll come back to shortly. But we also have a paginated list of all the learners in this group. And these are paginated 25 per page. And if you have more than that, these will be on a separate page and as many pages as is needed. And these are all fictitious users, and if we take a look at one of them here, we can see their name and user ID, all of the courses they are registered onto, along with their percentage completion. And on the left-hand side, we can see the date they were registered, when they last logged in, the number of times they've logged in, and we can also email this learner, which will pop up your local email client in order to do this. So this is a great tool for giving organizations a view into their own learners' progress. But this admin or client dashboard is also useful for administrators as well. So if I switch back to my admin account here, I can go back to the site, and as an admin, if I click on client dashboard, I can see all of the groups, not just the one that I would be a group leader of. So admins see every single group in here. So if I was to click into a different one, for example, Eco Water, I can find learners in this group and search and see all of their progress. So it's just an alternative way of looking at the learners in your system if you ever need to. So as I mentioned previously, we have the option to search for users. So if you imagine a group has 100 plus users, potentially you might want to search for them. This can be done by searching for a user by their email address. So if I was to choose just one here, as an example, I'm going to copy his email address. I want to search for Felix Richard. I'm going to put his email address in here and then click search. And that will isolate just this one person, and we can see their progress. So it's a nice quick way to search for particular users in the system. And that's a great way of giving your clients or your organizations access into their own learners to see their progress.